Hey friend, welcome back for another video. So in today's video, I will be testing the theory of can you actually go without a styler, just straight hydration, and what will your hair actually look like? So whether or not your braid out, your twist out is not lasting because you're not using any form of styler. So for the first day, I actually went ahead and used my Hydrate and Shine hair butter just to give my hair a little bit of hydration for the first day. Maybe I shouldn't have done that, but anyway, I did. And you will see me use this butter throughout the video just on my edges because I like to keep my edges well hydrated. So yeah. So for the first day, what I've noticed is that my bangs started losing their curls. They started getting a little poofy. So the humidity is starting to take its effect. On this specific day, I have decided to put my industrial back in. I have not worn this thing for about 3 weeks, and for some reason this morning I decided to put it back in, and baby, let me tell you, I felt like I was re-piercing my ears. My ears literally popped. Like, when you see it, you'll recognize it, I promise you, and you can hear it too. If there's a specific thing that I should be doing, or is there something that I could use to, aid with this healing process, because I've had this thing now for about 3 or 4 years. No, I'm lying, I think it's about 6, and this thing have not been healing, or is it just me? And then I started looking like Sideshow Bob. So this oil that I'm using, it has a fenugreek in it, there's rosemary in it, there's sweet almond oil, olive oil, and brahmi powder. So if you're interested in that, let me know, and I will have another video coming up. I will be infusing oil, and I will be doing a challenge for 2 weeks, and we will measure whether or not this thing is actually making my hair thicker. Is my hair growing? Is it not growing? If this is something that you're interested in, go ahead and click the subscribe button, click the notification bell for every time I upload a video, be notified. which means my hair is going to shrink up. With Florida, you never know. All right, let's go. Probably mighty greasy right now. I don't know. Either way, we're still out here, still trying to prove a point. I'm out here looking like a frisbee. Look at my hair. Because at this point, I'm telling you, when I get home, I'm probably not going to record because this is what I'm looking like, okay? 2 more days, though. 2 more days. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning again, guys. It's 5:33 and your girl out here looking a mess. Look at that hair. At this point, I really thought about tapping out, but I'm like, commitment. Yeah, I hope that made you laugh. Anyways, we're just gonna style this hair and carry on with our day and continue our little experiment. Okay. This is my hair butter that I formulated. As you've been seeing throughout the video, I only use this to hydrate my edges, but I wanted to give y'all a little demo to show y'all the work that I had put in. Enjoy. Cause I thought it was over. Got me thinking my feelings over. You keep doing it over and over. You keep calling me back. I'm just trying to get closer. You pulling me closer and closer. Phone ringing like over and over. Cause you keep calling me back. Day's finally over. Rough day, sweating. Look at this hair. 3rd floor. It's raining. Doors opening. Like doing it always. I got some compliments today on this hair. What's left of this hair. Yeah, I'm done. Florida is not made for this. My hair is not made for it to be going through all this. I want to end this video by saying, don't do it. Don't do it. See, I suffer so you won't have to suffer. And if this is something that you're actually doing, stop doing it, because this is the reason why your style is not lasting. Okay? Look at my hair. Just look at my hair. It's been 3 days because I've been doing this. Actually, I've been doing this since Monday. So, and today is Wednesday. So 3 days actually where I've been just wearing my hair, not rebraiding it, not retwisting it, not doing anything. I didn't even moisturize it. I pretty much just put oil on my scalp, give myself a little massage, and that's it. Use your custard, use your gel, use your foam. Let your style last. Stop going straight up just hydrated with no holding nothing on your hair. This is why your style's not lasting. Notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.